Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the fonts in your Windows 11. So to do this operation, click search on the down, write the settings, click the settings, then to go to personalization here, scroll down, and there's an option fonts. So from here you can browse and install the fonts by clicking on it from your hard drive. And there is available fonts in your computer, so you can choose any of fonts. You can choose the size of these fonts. You can uninstall the fonts if you wish, if you don't like some. And there is a few many of fonts standard in your Windows 11. So there is a related settings, so you can add use clear type text here. You can find a character and download font from the all language from the store. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!